Alright, what's good, Jits? I literally just made a video 30 seconds ago, but I'm going to do some back testing. Hopefully this one will be good enough for me to post. So that's all I'm going to be doing. Just some simple back testing, trying to improve my edge and see if we can get some dubs in this week's back testing. Just maybe learn a little something. But yeah, let's just get right into it. Just looking at this overall structure, I'll see what this low, like what's distributing is higher. Overall, I like this unfilled daily. I don't like that we're already inside of it on ES, but I do think if we want to distribute lower, both pairs would want to continue higher towards this daily gap. Yeah, that SMT isn't enough for me to just be bearish. Yeah, okay. This looks good. Work this out. We got our value up here. Little trend line above. Okay. Yeah, so just looking at this super quick. We've been pretty bullish. I'm just gonna expect this to keep being bullish as long as we can keep respecting bullish PD arrays. I'd like to see market open, maybe tap this 1 hour, or we just rip straight up to this draw. But from here, I will be looking from shorts from that daily gap if we just rip up and hit it. And yeah, that's pretty much just the bias. I'm not going to do actual trade biases anymore because it literally just takes way too long and they're always way too basic. So I think instead when I'll take a trade, I'll just journal the actual trade. I think that'll be pretty smart. Okay. Just edge work this high. Yeah. Holy man, dingleberry. Alright, now I really just want to see what price is seeking out. So if we don't get reactions off this 1 hour bearish gap, I have no other option but really to just flip bearish. But as of now, I'm still bullish. Okay, we got a 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 4 minute, 2 minute. Huh. This is actually kind of weird. It's just a bullish mech with trend. 5 minute gap. There's a 2 minute leg here, 3 minute. The only reason I say this is weird because if you enter here at the 2 minute, you'd hit the 3 minute before you hit the 5 minute. I'm pretty sure this is valid though, because it's understanding just legs and price. So the 3 minute, 4 minute don't really matter because it's the same thing when you take a 30-second. I'll take this. This looks pretty good. Price open lower into this 1 hour key level, and we're getting rejections from it higher. Unfilled 5 minute with external draws on liquidity. And it's a super valid spot to rebalance from. I don't see any need for us to manipulate more because we pretty much have that 9:30 manipulation. Not even close to 10 a.m. That's good. Simple Frisky 1-1. I do want to see this play out quite slowly though. Dude, I didn't even check if ES had a gap. We don't. We're in it now though. So we got cooked on that. Now it looks like we're getting an actual injury. No, 5 minute, 15 minute. No. I'll journal this after the end of the session. 2 minute, 3 minute. There is still no gaps on ES, so I'm not really willing to take a long here. Oh, SMT at the low. Holy cow. See, because now we have that 15 minute on ES, so it'd be valid for ES to go higher. Damn, that's annoying. No entry on that there. Okay, I can't see anything. Not really trying to take a 5 minute short. Okay, so now we have a 15 minute. Green versus 3 minute. Nah, barely. So let this play out. See what we do. Okay, so we got a stop point. We're still respecting this 15-minute gap. Man, I really just do not. Even though we're getting that high time frame sort of confirmation, I really don't want to be bearish. I just really feel like the DOL is higher. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this. Maybe I'm washed. Yeah, really nothing much after that. I'm not gonna lie, it stays pretty cheeks. I should have never took this mech long. Where is it at? This one here. Or ES didn't even have a gap. I don't know for my mechs, do I want... Yeah, I think I'm gonna prefer to have a stop point every time. Honestly, there's really no point to journaling this. I think I'm just gonna... I'm not even gonna throw that in there. Let's go into the next day. Alright. Finally took out that draw on liquidity higher. So now what are we looking for? Honestly, would like a high time frame. Did we get a high time frame rebalance already? Came in here, tapped this 4 hours, still respecting it. Yeah. Okay, honestly here, I want to see if price wants to go lower at all. But as long as it's respecting bullish, I'm going to be bullish. See, this low looks really nice. Ooh, unfilled 1 hour too. LR leading up to it. Except this high here. 5 minute. Yeah, I like this. See if we can get an entry towards it. versus 5 minute. Oh shoot, I did not mean to do that. But we clearly hit it. Let's see if we respect it. Both pairs hit it as well. I think from here we're just gonna judge if we want to go higher. Bro, why do we have an SMT with the gap? So yeah, another mech model. This one actually looks a bit better. But we have an SMT with the gap on ES. I'm just not gonna take that. So we can see why. We get a stop hunt. Nah, I think for me to target higher, you just have to create a 15-minute. 15-minute gap. 4 hour. Stop hunt SMT, internal SMT. Okay. Ooh, continuation. Holy perfect continuation. We got a 1 minute for value gap. I'll be down to take this. We have our 1 hour delivery and we have our 5 minute delivery. We have LR leading up to some external draws on liquidity. 1 minute inverse right here. Then we have our 10 a.m. open low into this gap. Or open low, maybe. Yeah, we take this 10 a.m. low and we'll stop hunt. I don't want to run this too tight. Just delivering off that same 5 minute. Look good. Oh, shiz. We took that internal high, but I mean, I'm in drawdown, so I can't really go break even. Could be break even here. And then full TP. And you can see ES is continuing higher towards those external draws. I'm going to journal this, and then I'll catch you guys in a second. Also, one thing to note, if you would have run your stop loss here, it would have been stopped out. That's why I try not to run bodies all the time if you don't need to. Like, you don't just keep tightening your stop loss. You kind of just want to extend your take profit a little bit. Yeah, give me 1 sec. Okay, I just do that in the journal. One thing to note here, I do want to go into this mech model here because this does look pretty damn good. Some good things and some bad things. One, I just didn't like how we had that SMT with the 5 minute, and then here you can see we yeah. So we never created another gap on ES. If we would have created that 15 minute, I would have took this shit all day. But we just didn't. I do like this stop hunt. This time aligned stop hunt right here compared with our, she could have took this candle. This candle was a little sus. if you had good conviction in this and you only wanted to see price go higher, like 100%, go for it. I think what this has good is we have overall bullish trend, and this high is a high resistance high, so it'd be dumb for price to come back down here. And I think that's what this trade has best. Like the targets higher are way better than the targets lower. Like if this was all the price had and we had external targets lower, this should 100% would have failed. And it just kind of wavered my conviction, so that's why I didn't take it. Yeah. So we could say this here. We continue higher. From there, we'll rebalance. Just continue higher. Overall, really nice day on this one. Don't really have much else to say. There's that dumbass mech I took Monday. Now, just off rip looking at this, I don't like this. Let me see if we're still respecting that daily gap. Yeah, okay, so respecting that daily gap. So this high up here is really a high resistance high. I don't really want to see price come back and hit that. I don't like this delivery from this 1 hour. Like, why did we take so long? Did we got another delivery here? So price is steadily delivering lower. We have this prominent liquidity pool here, but I don't like just targeting just one high. I think this is so retarded. But I mean, eventually we might had to or want to revisit that. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of targeting this high. I'm not too sure about the bias. Oh, holy stutter. We'll see. Also, I want to do my backtesting like this because I watched this guy named BNQ or Ronan. He backtests like this, and it's just way nicer to watch. Like, I never really watched one of my backtesting videos, so I don't know how it feels to watch it. Here, honestly, longs are kind of ass. There's not a good thing to reject off of. Okay. We have 1 hour. 1 hour there. 5 minute here. Tiny bit of LR below. Oof, that's nice. I should just extendo clip this. I'm not gonna take this because literally I've never taken a trade that looks like this. I just really don't like that external target. But we'll see what which does. We play out to the break-even point. Oh shit. Ooh. Oh, never mind. ATO here. Solid target. Externals okay. I mean, I like this trade. I can see this going higher. I just don't love it. I don't love the rejection. I don't love shorts. I don't love longs. I love this LR though. I can't say that. All this shit is ran. Most confident looking trade I can say all day though. Definitely should have entered here. I wasn't really paying attention. But we can just draw this out. Oh, continuation would be nice. Damn, are you serious? Get off my screen. Dude, what? Oh, SMT? SMT 5-minute inversion. I actually think I would take this. Here. Here. Oof. Because this is better rejection. We have that 15-minute with that high time frame continuation. No, I'm not taking this shit, bro. This day looks ass. That did short though. I don't like targeting this external target. It's just, I don't know, I don't like it. And we don't even, oh, we did go hit it. Was out of that 5-minute? Nice. I'll go to the next day. Next session. Oh, shiz. New York. Good lord. Damn, Drake. Clearly, I don't even know. Alright, first off, what are we seeking out? I hate trading these days. Wednesday, what are we seeking out? Massive ass SMT. Wait, am I on Thursday? Did I just skip a day on accident? Damn, how am I already on Thursday? I low-key kinda just wanna short this shit. I would prefer to see this range rebalance. Maybe continuation. 15-minute. Yeah. Just look where you're longing, bro. I don't. I don't think so. No shot. Um, 5-minute comp. She's eyes getting lie. next day. Because, like, if you were to sit in here and be journaling all of this, you waste so much time. Dog, what the fuck? Are you fucking... This has to be... Dude, what? Alright, we've been selling off quite a bit. See where we want to sell off to. Yeah, right here. Anyways, I want to see price go lower than this. Let's see. ES looks like we want to go for this low. We are rejecting this 1 hour gap though. Even inversion. Nah. Did we? Alright, ES went lower. Finally hit that level. Any nice inversions? 5 minute to a 15 minute. No, did we? Okay. Okay. This is absolutely terrible. I can see some sort of like, cause this is a data low here. I can see us targeting that. I like this inversion. Also equal lows. I like these this LR here. I just don't want like 15 minute. Can I see price going higher? Why? Yeah, we got LR here. We're rejecting this 4 hour gap. Overall super bullish still. I would rather want to take longs. Holy shit. Five minute, we got the delivery already. Okay. A lot better. 15 minute count here. We have our external liquidity pulls here. We have our stop hunt, 5 minute stop hunt here. We had an inversion. We generated a little bit of LR. We got a deep retrace. I like this. Not the best displacement in the world, but We'll do. Or CE. Yeah. Yeah. Good trade. CE's been cooking. Version here, nice continuation. Pretty obvious. I like it. Nice external DOL. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in the trade. I mean, in the journal. We had that stupid Mech L. Honestly, this week was a really good week. There was a lot of setups. Also, a lot of setups that I faded. There's probably some good ones in there. I'm gonna go look back at those. Actually, I'll look back at those right now. Just cause. How long is this video? Oh my god, 31 minutes. Actually, maybe not. I'll keep this quick. I did have a slight bad habit of just kind of rushing through a little bit. But overall, pretty happy about how this week went. It's 30 minutes, going to 1 minute, slider over. Monday, Bunza Mech model. Freaking ES literally didn't even have a gap to target. So little bare minimum. Could have won of a stop hunt. Dumbass Mac, bro. Literally one trade. If you fuck up once a week, it will mess you up, bro. It's unbelievable. This one, nicer Mac. We had the stop hunt, 15-minute gap, but we took another count this day. Time aligned manipulation. 10 a.m. leaded into the LR. We got a count here. Nice inversion. External draws on liquidity. C price just continued higher. That was my favorite setup of that day. Might have been the only one to here. Oh, the short. I don't remember if this is the day with the 5 minute. It's 5 minutes. I've been watching Ronin too much, bro. Them shits just freak me out. I don't like them. Cause bro, you know how I love to see LR, and you know how long it takes to generate 5-minute LR. You're gonna be waiting 30 minutes, bro. And by that point, it's bad price action. It's 10 a.m. Call it. Yeah. Oh, I think that was here. Yeah, we came up. It was the draw on liquidity, dude. That's what got me. It's because, dude, I've lost so many times like that. But 5 minute does hold a lot of power. I can say that. You get a 5-minute inversion. If you have some nice key level rejection, that shit's gonna rip. So that was that here. And then Thursday. Premium ass long. I'm talking premium ass long. Me, I just 15. You had the 15-minute. You had the LR. It's not me, bro. Not me. I'm not messing with it. Let's see, what's the RR on this? RR just way too good. It's way too good. It's way too good. Not valid. The RR is too good. It's not valid, bro. Damn, hold on. This almost looks like a continuation here. That actually looks quite solid. Oh, 5 minute just ripped up. Took the high. I actually remember this. Bro. 5 minute comp. Look the high. There's a high. Then Friday, nice con. I'm even saying what he says now, bro. I gotta chill. This was a continuation here, but we just literally got no valid inversion. Price shown, it was clearly, obviously bullish. Come around that 9:30 mark, we started accumulating. 10:30, we tapped into that 15-minute gap. Inversion, bang, delicious. Maybe hit that external draw. But yeah, that is gonna be the video. I actually am going to post this one. Yeah, that's really all I gotta say. Hopefully everyone's doing good. Hopefully everyone's trading's going good. Hopefully we're full porting those evals, those fundeds, because that's the only way for us unprofitable traders to get a payout. We got a full port. I don't know. All right, you got peace, you guys. Peace.